Everybody's talking about eggs, talking about the eggs. Way too expensive and scarce. You look at chickens in this country, they're horrible. They're horrible. The chickens are a disaster. But I fixed it bigly. I did it quickly. My executive order to put 2 chickens in every American household. Just go to TrumpChickens.com and order your chickens. They're big, beautiful American chickens. Not like chickens from China and Mexico who came into our country illegally, undocumented chickens. I know more about chickens than almost anyone. I know more about chickens than even the chicken farmers do. Get your Trump chickens. You know they're authentic from the letter T that's stamped behind their back. Get your Trump chickens today. I'm not exaggerating when I say Trump chickens lay way bigger eggs